How to add fractions like a pro. The secret to mastering pizza maths. Imagine this. You are baking cookies for a party. You need half a cup of sugar for one batch and a third of a cup for another. But wait, how much sugar do you need in total? Fractions. They are not just math. They are your secret weapon in the kitchen. Let's solve this puzzle together and learn how to add fractions like a pro. Did you know fractions date back to ancient Egypt? Scribes used them to measure grain and distribute food. Fast forward thousands of years, and fractions are still helping us share resources, from pizzas to rocket fuel. Today we are diving into a classic maths problem, adding fractions. And trust me, by the end of this video, you will see how simple and powerful it can be. Introducing the problem. Here is the deal. You have 1/2 and 1/3. To add these fractions, we need to combine them into slices of the same size. Finding a common denominator. Think of fractions like pizza slices. To combine them, the slices must be the same size. The magic tool for this is finding a common denominator. For 2 and 3, the smallest common denominator is 6. Converting the fractions. Now we rewrite the fractions. 1/2 becomes 3/6 and 1/3 becomes 2/6. Easy, right? Adding the numerators. Finally, add the numerators. 3 plus 2 equals 5. So 1/2 plus 1/3 equals 5/6. Simplifying if needed. Sometimes you will need to simplify the result, but here 5/6 is already in its simplest form. You are done. Now back to our cookies. By adding 1/2 cup and 1/3 cup, you need 5/6 cup of sugar, perfect for a sweet treat. But fractions aren't just for cookies. Think about splitting bills, measuring ingredients, or even calculating probabilities in games. Fractions are everywhere, and knowing how to add them unlocks so many possibilities. Adding fractions might seem tricky at first, but remember, it's just about finding common ground, combining, and simplifying. With practice, you will conquer fractions in no time. Like this lesson? There is more where that came from. Subscribe for tips, tricks, and stories that make maths easy and fun. Here is a challenge for you. Try this. You have 2/5 of a chocolate bar and your friend give you 3/10 of theirs. How much chocolate do you have in total? Write your answer in the comments below and I will check your work. Finally, what's your favorite real life use of fractions? Comment below.